Hello, my name's Carlos. Welcome back to TechBeam. Joe's behind the camera. Joe, what are we doing?
I don't know.
So we've got Joe's laptop here, and well, it's actually down here. We just got done shooting the ultimate dorm room. Where are you going?
I don't know what that.
He's got done shooting the ultimate dorm room setup. Go check that video out up here. But Joe has asked me to help him clean up his laptop a little bit. Come on over here. So this is our play account that we get to do a bunch of stuff for TechBeam on and things like that. I hate Windows 10 when it comes to finding the My Computer thing. Oops, that's not what I want. Let's open this up here. Look at this right here. Let's open this up. Okay, so of 226 gigabytes, we have 23.4 gigabytes. Oh, really? Wow. Okay, so we have more space than I thought we did, but that's still kind of horrible. So, you know what? Here, let's start with this. Okay? First thing you could always do is, hi, how did that feel? Joe just ran into one of our lights. First thing you can do if you have Windows 10, get rid of all the crapware that you can. And here's how you do that, okay? So you right click on them, right? Actually, you know what, let's not even do it here. Let's look in here. So, tips, and right click on it and we'll hit on install. Maps, that one's by default. And basically what you do, you just gotta keep going down the list and you find one, so that one you can't do. Adobe Bridge and stuff like that. Okay, so we're gonna keep all that. Dude, what is this? I don't even know what this is. Oh, this is that Roller Coaster Tycoon thing that you wanted to play. Does it even work on this computer?
Barely.
Oh, goodness. Okay, so we're going to get rid of it then.
Yeah.
Any big things like that? So we're going to get rid of the simple crapware apps first. So we're going to keep going down the line here. Bang & Olufsen. And do you even know what the heck this is?
That's for audio.
Oh, okay. So this is the other thing. Before you start uninstalling stuff, know what things are. If you don't know what it is, it might be a good idea to either research it or just leave it alone. But okay, hang on. Let's keep going down the list here. Cyberlink, Media Suite Essentials. Dude, there's a lot of Cisco Packet Tracer. Packet Tracer is, I don't know if it's free. I think it is. It's a cool little piece of software that you can use to build virtual networks and learn how to configure Cisco equipment like routers and switches and stuff like that. It's actually pretty cool. And as I just found out today, supposedly it's good enough to the point where you can configure stuff inside of it and then save it and import it into routers and switches and stuff like that. It's kind of cool. So anyway, there's that. Drawboard PDF, we can get rid of that because what is it? Adobe Reader works just fine. You already have Office on here, don't you? Mm-hmm. Okay, yeah, so we can get rid of the Get Office thing, Get Help, HP Help and Support. Okay, all the crap, help guides and stuff from the company that they already put on there, you can get rid of that stuff too. Intel Corporation, we're going to keep that. iTunes, do you even use iTunes?
Well, yeah, because I have an iPhone, you know.
Well, that doesn't mean that you use, I have an iPhone, that doesn't mean I use iTunes very often. In fact, I use Spotify. Malwarebytes, so we're going to get rid of that, right? Mm-hmm.
And so with all those pop-ups.
Solitaire Collection, we can get rid of that. Minecraft, we can get rid of that. Netflix, we're going to get rid of that. News, we're going to get rid of that. We want to keep that one. Nextcloud is a really cool software. We have a Nextcloud server set up. It's kind of like Dropbox, except for you host it on your own. So yeah, it's pretty cool. The wonderful OneDrive, which I accidentally just opened, and we're going to close now. OneDrive gets to go away. Facebook gets to go away. Yeah, so basically keep going down the list until you... OneNote, okay, so you can't get rid of OneNote, unfortunately. Oh yeah, VirtualBox, okay, that's probably part of what's taking up some space, but we'll look into that later. By the way, there's a video on how to set up VirtualBox. We'll put the link up in the little bubble thing up in the corner. I'm probably pointing in the wrong spot, but anyway. Skype for Business. Oh, that's one of those. Oh, I love how you have Skype and Skype for Business and Skype Preview. Skype for Business. Yeah, okay, so some of these open up the old, like, uninstall panel. If it does that, I would wait till the end to get rid of them, because you have to wait for them to get done before you can move on. What the heck is this down here? So, oh, there's the Heaven benchmark. We can probably get rid of that. Snapfish, that can go away. Like, this is my only problem with, well, besides all the telemetry data and stuff like that with Windows 10, I cannot stand all the crapware that comes along with it. So, we'll unpin all this stuff from here. I can't believe I didn't already do this. Well, the wonderful thing is, I bet you if we log back into your account, it's still going to all be there. So, anyway, so, you know what, let's see how much space we cleaned up. Probably not that much. This PC. And I did it again. I miss the old days where you just got to click on my computer. What did we say? 24 point, I don't remember what we said. I think we cleared up a gig, because I think it was 23 before, so we're going to keep working on this. We'll be back with an update in a moment. So we're sitting here uninstalling stuff still. The following applications should be closed before continuing the install. Automatically close the So we've gone through all the like start menu stuff and uninstalled that. Now we're actually going through the programs and features list thing here. So a couple things to keep in mind when you're uninstalling stuff in here. So like audio, graphics, things like that. Obviously those are things you're going to want to keep because they're probably kind of important. This one says HP wireless button driver. That I'm not going to get rid of. But companies will do this where they'll put like HP, yada yada yada, Acer, yada yada yada, Dell, yada yada yada. So you can usually get rid of that stuff. Stuff that goes with like wireless things and things like that, virtual buttons, anything that says Intel, it's probably stuff you want to keep. Let's see. Oh, you said Malwarebytes, that can go. Malwarebytes is actually a decent piece of software. Let's see. We've got McAfee on here that we're going to keep. Office 365 we want to keep. Let's see here. I guess we can keep Skype on here. Do you want that on here still?
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll keep Skype on here. The Roller Coaster Tycoon, which is this
stupid
program that Joe bought that he wanted to play but doesn't really work well on this. Do you want that on here or not?
Delete it because it doesn't work.
Okay. Well, it's also 1.24 gigabytes.
Yeah.
If you look over here, come on over here, you can see actually the size of how big some of the programs are. So we'll go ahead and uninstall this and get rid of it. Do you want to keep your save games? Because it'll keep them in a folder basically. No?
No.
Okay, so we can get rid of those too. You know what though? Here's the thing. So we may be working on kind of like an eBay build for Joe at some point. And I bet you if we do that, that game will run. Mm-hmm. Or at least we can look at what the specs are going to be and stuff like that and build you a system that should hopefully be able to run it. So stay tuned for that, possibly. That may be happening. Oh yeah, that's right. We also need to find a microwave. I've been teasing this video quite a bit, but how to destroy your data, the quote-unquote correct way. Let's just say putting it in a microwave is not the way you're actually supposed to like get rid of your data, but it's going to be a heck of a time and a ton of fun. This is one of those do as we say, not as we do kind of things, and also one of those do not try this at home thing. Let's see, what do we still have on here? So Adobe Reader, we want to keep that. We'll keep Photoshop on here for you. What was that one program that you were asking me to get rid of that you put on here to check the requirements? Oh, you know what? G-Sync, that's what it was, or something like that.
Yeah, I think you deleted
I
it.
think we got rid of that
Yeah.
as well. So we pretty much got rid of a lot of stuff on here. One cool little piece of software that we can, and I'll show you this actually real quick here too. This is actually a pretty cool little piece of software. It's called CC Cleaner. They've got a free option. They've got a paid option. So we're gonna download this free option here and just start the download. I'll save it to the desktop. So this is going to get rid of a lot of like the extra crapware folders and stuff like that. It's kind of to like clean up your computer and stuff. So, and how Joe deals with all these icons over here on the side, I have no idea. It just bugs the heck out of me. Yeah, it's one of those OCD things, but anyway. So this is super simple. So you download it, you install it, everything. We don't need the release notes. We'll go ahead and open it up here. Once we have it, we can get rid of this and get rid of that. Get rid of all these installers and stuff like that. Get rid of that. So basically what we want to do, so come on over here. So it'll open up, you'll hit cleaner, you'll hit analyze. This will probably take a few minutes. There's a little percentage bar over here in the corner. And then it gives you kind of a list, and you just hit run cleaner, hit OK. It's going to go through and kind of clean some stuff up here. Everything. So we'll give it and the first time you run it, it's going to be kind of slow. The more you run this, the less time it's going to take. Things like that. There's also something really cool with this program that I'll show you in a moment. So now we can go over to registry over here. Scan for issues. Let it do its scan, kind of the same thing. Now here is the thing about like registries and stuff like that. They're very important for the computer. So and this software for the most part knows what it's doing. I have never had a problem, but it does give you the option if you want to. So we'll do this. We'll hit fix selected issues down here, and that's going to bring up this little. Do you want to back up changes to the registry? The smart answer would be to hit yes, but we're just going to hit no and then hit fix all selected. Call it good. Now if we go to tools here, we can go to this uninstaller right here, which is really awesome. And well, you know what, we'll keep the camera, I guess, but like the alarm clocks and stuff like that, boink, we can get rid of. The app installer should probably keep that. The calculator should probably keep that. Groove music, yeah, get rid of that. Do you want maps or not?
No.
No? Get rid of that. Mail and calendars. Well, you've got Outlook, so we can get rid of that. Messaging, we'll get rid of that. These won't save a ton of space, but they're, you know, they're the extra crapware that you don't need on the system. Oh, hey, you can actually get rid of OneNote. People and stuff like that, that can go. Phone. Why is there like a phone app? Man, I have no idea. A store, U3D, wallet, we can get rid of that. Some of these apps make a lot more sense on like a mobile device like that is running, like if you have like a Windows phone, they make a lot more sense than on like your laptop. Do you want any of the Xbox stuff on here? No? So we'll get rid of that too. And and then what we'll do is, well, we'll run the cleaner again here. And do that. And we'll run the registry one again too. Find some extra stuff that doesn't need to be there anymore. Okay, fix selected issues. Again, we probably should hit yes, but you know, we're just gonna hit no. All good, and we can close that up. So, and then it runs down here. Now you can either decide to keep that on here or get rid of it. You seem to add a lot of like random stuff to your system. So I might recommend, like, you know, keeping it on here, but that, yeah, it's one of those programs that you can decide to do with what you want. Let's see here. Apparently, I spelled this PC with an 8 because I just put an 8 in there. Let's see what we've got here. Properties here. So we've got 33.8 gigabytes of space now. So we've freed up some space. There's still a lot of crap on here, most of which I have no idea. Like, I have no idea what you fill your computer with. Because I think the Windows installation is only like, 20 gigs at most. So, I don't know what the rest of this is filled up with. But yeah, anyway. So, that's just kind of a quick little overview of how to clean up your computer and, yeah, behind the scenes kind of little, well, I don't know if I would necessarily behind the scenes. Yeah, it kind of is behind the scenes, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
But anyway, so, hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, thumbs up. If you didn't, thumbs down. Get subscribed if you haven't done that already. Turn on notifications so you don't miss a video. And we'll see you next time here on TechBeam.